Alright, here we are about 2 weeks. 2 weeks in advance. I'm starting to get everything put together, finally. Tools are coming together. Got the drill press on the stand. Got the precision vise, the bandsaw. Finally got my table saw back, so I'm excited about that. The intention is to build my table. Well, it's probably going to end up being about 38 inches tall because that's what I need it to be. Where it sits right now, that's 36, and I think I'd like to go a little bit higher. And my table saw is not quite that tall. It's about 34, I'm thinking, is what it sits at. So I might have to raise the table saw up, which is okay because I've been trying to come up with some sort of caster system to move it around easier. But I don't know yet. We'll figure that out. But I'm about to put together one more tool stand for my chop saw, and that's this right here. Alright, so there's all the pieces laid out, and just examining these pieces, they seem pretty solid. I mean, they seem pretty thick. They're definitely not lightweight and chintzy. These ones have just that little bend in it. They say 1,000-pound capacity, but well, actually, I don't plan on putting 1,000 pounds on it. I'm only going to be putting, 40 or 50. I'm putting my chop saw on this thing. I'm going to set it at its highest setting, or 30 inches, I think is what the box says. But everything seems solid so far. It's got these little magnetic strips. So, I'm not missing any pieces. Pretty sure I've got everything that I need here. There's 4 of everything. Along with feet. I love the feet. It makes an obnoxious noise if you drag these things on the ground without those feet on. So the screws, I think, yeah, everything's here. So I'll go ahead and get it put together and then do some afters. Alright, just a quick update on the assembly. So I read online about the assembly on this thing being difficult and a lot of people having problems. And it kind of makes sense because if you look at where these brackets are located, those are actually threaded. So, the screw threads directly into that piece right there. And as you can see, it's shifted to one side or the other. It's justified to the bottom and top. But it doesn't say anywhere in the instructions how it should be assembled. So I started putting it together thinking, top should be up, right? So I started to do that, and then once I got to the top piece, then I realized stickers on, and if we put it together so we can read it and it's not upside down, it would be justified to the bottom. So I had to go all the way back and take it back apart in order to put it together, I guess, properly. I'm guessing that that's the right way. I would assume that because they put the sticker on like this, that's how I should do all of the rail pieces. So the instructions do suck. They are really bad, and getting everything aligned and fitting this piece with this piece is difficult to get in place and make this happen. So the reviews are right online as far as this thing being frustrating. I'm not frustrated, but because I was kind of expecting it to be a pain in the butt. So just wanted to give you that update.